got a 25, 24 Ford F-150. Taking the airbag off to replace some of these steering wheel buttons. To do it, you're gonna need a mirror and a flathead screwdriver, okay? You're gonna wanna turn the steering wheel on its side like this and get your mirror. And you're gonna look at the back side of the steering wheel. And you're looking for this hole that you have right here. Once I get the airbag off, I'll show you exactly what it looks like behind the airbag. There's actually a bar that runs across that pretty much holds the airbag against the steering wheel. Right there, that silver bar there. What we need to do is you need to get a screwdriver on top of it and then push it down, all right? Like, you put it in, you can feel the bar, and then you're gonna click, and the airbag is gonna come unclicked from right here. Okay, this one's already kind of done it, like that. Okay, that's when you know you got it. It'll just unclick. So we're just gonna go like this and go clink. You're gonna go ahead and turn the steering wheel the other way, and you're gonna have to do the other side like that. This is just really hard to record normally because you know, you need two hands to use a mirror and the screwdriver. I'm not using the mirror. They're kind of in position where it needs to be, and I got it on the bar. I'm gonna pull down on it, and you can hear it like that. There you go. You saw this move real quick. That unclips the airbag, like just like that, and then you can pull the airbag off. Right, so behind the airbag, here's the clip, the clip we're talking about right here, and you're just moving it like this down, and it unclips the airbag. So it's clipped on to this guy right here. Hopefully that kind of helps you out, but it's, yeah, like that. All right. Just tink. They've actually made this a lot better than they used to. It used to be just this flat, straight bar, and you bend it actually, but they actually made this a mechanism to make it easier to take off. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, there's two of them. There's another hook here and another hook here.